Hey, I want to give you a quick little walkthrough of how to build your own PVC headphone stand like you see in many of my movies. Now, to get started, you're going to need only a few parts. You're going to need 4 3/4-inch T-couplers. You need one section of 3/4-inch PVC pipe that's 12 inches long. You'll need 6 3/4-inch end caps, and you'll need 8 3/4-inch PVC pipe segments that are 2.5 inches long. Now, building the headphone stand is really straightforward. Start with the long section of PVC and put a T-coupler on either end of it. Press it down flat on the desk to make sure that everything is nice and level. Now we're going to use these 2.5-inch connectors. Just put one of those in each of the remaining holes on the open T-couplers. Like that. Go ahead and give that a squeeze so that everything stays nice and tight. Now we're going to put an end cap on each of the top pieces. It looks like I've got a couple of these where I already have a little felt pad. And the felt pad is just there so that the headphone stand doesn't scratch the desk. Okay, once you get those end caps on, then go ahead and put a T-coupler on each of the 2 remaining open end pieces. And that's going to set up the base. You want to press down and make sure everything aligns nice and square. And then we're going to just put 4 more connectors. We'll stick one in each of those holes. Just go ahead and put those in one after another. Now the final step is to just put one of these end caps on each of the ends of the pipe. And if you've already added the little padded feet, then you're all set with that. Those are optional. They're not really needed. Once you get the last one in place, then you want to give everything a good squeeze and press down to make sure everything is nice and flat and straight. And there you go. That's how you build your own headphone stand out of PVC.